I think for posterity is most important. There has been no effort made to keep the film industry alive for the next generation. There have been only one person I know that worked at the Film Institute of India, Mr. Nair, working tirelessly towards this. I think it's a very good move, and we are contributing to this movement, and I hope that it brings a lot of success. Thank you.
I feel what they are doing now is a commendable effort. I mean, this should have started long time back. You won't believe some of our own films, like Parinda, we are restoring now. There are films that I have grown up, they are lost. This is something that I not only stand by, I support, and I'm grateful to Shivendra for actually starting this preservation. Because see, our biggest problem with our culture, and cinema is part of our culture, that we have very little preservation culture. So actually, we are who we are because of our culture. Who we were 100 years back decides who we are today. But if we lose that, then we lose history, we lose sense of who we are. So for me, this is one of the finest moments in my life that I'm seeing that these people are actually planning to preserve and restore old films. So I am extremely grateful to this organization.